In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable waiting room notifications in Zoom. Whether you're managing frequent meetings or hosting a webinar where you prefer minimal interruptions, turning off waiting room notifications can help streamline the process and maintain a smooth flow. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, you want to ensure that you are logged into your Zoom account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Zoom homepage. Look towards the upper right-hand corner and you'll see an option that says My Account. Go ahead and click on that. This step takes you to your personal account settings where you can make changes that apply to all of your meetings. Moving on, once you're in your account settings, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see several options like Meetings, Webinar, Recordings, and Settings. We need to go into Settings as this is where most of the customization for your Zoom experience takes place. So, let's click on Settings. Now that you're within the Settings menu, you'll notice it's divided into different sections to help you easily navigate what you need. Our next move is to click on the Meeting tab. The Meeting tab is your gateway to various options that can enhance your meeting experience. You'll find that it's further divided into sections such as In Meeting, Basic, and In Meeting, Advanced. For our purpose today, you'll scroll down and look for a section titled In Meeting Basic. Once you're in the In Meeting Basic settings, scroll down until you find the option that reads Sound Notification when someone joins or leaves. This setting is an important feature that improves access to participant information and meeting management, but can be a distraction if you're hosting a bigger group. Next to this, you'll see a toggle switch. If the switch is blue, it indicates that the sound notifications are turned on. You'll want to toggle this switch so that it appears grey, signifying that they have been turned off. And just like that, you've successfully disabled the waiting room notifications. By turning this off, you'll create a more seamless experience for both you and your participants, minimizing interruptions during your meetings. It's a straightforward process, and taking these few moments ensures a smoother, less distracting meeting experience. Remember, this setting applies to all future meetings, but you can always come back to adjust it if needed. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more useful tips. Until next time, have a great day.